We continue with the term used by
Right.
system designing.
Ah,
I mean, in the last lecture we covered till 13. Now
ah,
we will cover these today.
okay.
Okay, the strategy is same.
Ah,
We
ah,
will discuss and then we'll go into theory.
okay.
And but today I add some of the, you can say, MCQ and subjective type question
Okay, fine.
to check your knowledge
Right, right.
that you can revise it.
Okay.
Okay, what do you understand from cache?
That
Cache.
is, a cache is nothing but a temporary storage of some information in the RAM, so that every time taking data from the hard disk, it is stored in a cache. So there will be a quick response for the queries or whatever it is.
What are the conditions? Which data we can cache and which data we cannot cache?
Okay, as I've used Oracle extensively, the frequently used queries are all cached and kept ready. So whenever the queries are repeated, it won't again and again search and then give the result. Directly, it will quickly search because that it's already there in the cache.
Yes, means real time data we cannot think.
Ah,
We can cache it. Okay,
okay, okay, okay.
because means if things are changing frequently,
Ah,
then we cannot consider that we can go for cache there.
right, right.
And but means if we have a data which is repeating again and again,
Ah,
then we can go for cache.
cache, correct, right.
And while doing a cache, we need to take care of you can say how much time it will means how much time we require
Ah, ah, ah,
for to cache the thing. We cannot cache the things for unlimited time
ah,
because if we will do that,
ah.
then what happened means let's say your data has been changed
Okay,
and because you not set any limit there,
okay.
so then user will get a stale data or
Ah,
fresh data.
okay, okay, okay.
That's also important for
Ah,
cache.
right, right.
Okay, what is queue?
A queue is okay. Queue in queues we have something called first in, first out, last in, first out. So there, for example, you are giving say okay, there are 5 users and each user is querying something. So those queries won't get executed all at a time, even though there will be some microsecond difference. So those queries will be in a queue. So as and when one query gets done, the next query takes over.
Why we use queue?
Why to use queues? I mean, for again for better performance, like you process and keep it ready in the queue, and then once the first queue work is done, take the next query and then process it.
Yes,
And
so that you can serve your client better.
right,
And
right.
you
Mm,
can say every client will feel yes, you are working for them only and
mm,
you are caring for them.
mm, mm.
Okay. And what is asynchronous processing?
No, technically, I don't know. I've heard this term many times, asynchronous processing, but technical explanation, I don't know. Somewhere roughly what I can see is it will be done like see with synchronous and asynchronous. Synchronous is doing simultaneously or immediately. Asynchronous is I think it will be done little later, something like that.
So yes, you are right. Means
Ah,
there are two type of processing, synchronous and asynchronous.
ah,
In asynchronous, we will go in a straightforward way.
okay,
Means top to down we are moving, and
okay,
every whenever one statement is encountered, it's execute, then we move forward. This is
okay,
called synchronous. This is
okay,
called the sync only.
okay,
But asynchronous, let's say you will API will take time.
Ah,
So we will, when we make a call, then it will take time
ah,
to resolve or give a
okay,
response to us.
okay.
So in that case, we cannot wait. We
Ah,
cannot stop our cursor and to move ahead.
ah,
So, so in that case, what we will do, we will initiate a API call in the background.
okay,
When its result come back, then we
okay,
will no means the result is now available. Then you can show the result.
okay,
User can able to do the after getting the result, user will be able to do something with that data.
okay,
So this is one example, but another example are also there.
okay.
So basically, you can say in a normal term,
Ah,
this whatever asynchronous, it will happen in the future, not now.
okay, okay, okay,
Makes
okay.
sense.
Right, right.
So if it's happen in
Um,
the
uh,
future,
okay, okay, okay.
then
Can we say, for example, I mean, batch processing is a asynchronous process?
batch processing is a, you can say you can process the data in a
Ah,
means a group of group that's called batch or
oh,
one by one as well.
okay, okay, okay,
So
okay,
those are the approaches. But
okay, okay, okay.
synchronous processing means it will take some time.
Ah,
In
ah,
that time, let's say chef is preparing a dish
okay,
while means you can say while you can say soup is you can say boiling. He or she will utilize his or her time for chopping the thing.
okay,
Makes sense.
okay, right, right.
So means he is not stopping for just boil the thing. When
Hmm.
boil is ready, then he can go for next step.
Hmm, hmm,
Till
hmm.
unless he is not stopping herself
Okay,
or himself.
okay.
Okay, what is replication?
Okay, replication is it can be used for multiple purpose. So one purpose, for example, I want to replicate the existing data in a different environment, or I have multiple locations. The data is there, and at a specific point of time, I replicate the data so that uh, probably it can be used like a risk management. If one system goes down, the other system will take over and run. So all this data, whatever current data I have in one system, system A, for example, has to get replicated in system B. So at times of failure, system B will take over and continue as if nothing has happened. So as a risk factor, I replicate the data so that I don't lose any data.
Yes. So basically, we have some precious thing, and what we will do
Hmm,
to save that means because we are talking about a virtual thing only, we are not
hmm,
talking about a physical thing. So
hmm.
we can do what we can do. We can create a similar copy there.
Okay, okay,
Okay, all are you can say sync together.
okay, okay.
One at a one time you are able to be interacting with a mm,
Hmm.
one instance, but another instance have a same data and same thing is there. And
Ah, ah.
as you told, if means master is down, then another one take a place as a master and it will start here.
Hmm, hmm.
So you can say here in a normal terminology we have a backup.
Okay.
Means we have a you can say alternative.
Ah, okay.
If
Ah,
let's
alternating.
say yes,
Okay, okay,
you have another option. Let's say tomorrow we have a three you can say English teacher in a school.
okay.
If one is not available, then
Ah,
another will take place.
right, right, right.
Okay, what is sharding?
No, Deepak, totally. I heard the word, but no, I didn't try to understand what it is.
So in this, you can say English teacher concept.
Ah,
Starting, I can say we have a three or a four English teachers are there,
okay,
and each one is a expert in one thing. Let's say one is a expert in you can say writing. One is you can say speaking.
okay,
Makes sense.
okay.
So speaking and another one is listening. Means they will
Ah,
have a different you can say purpose
okay,
and they are expert in that.
okay.
So here in a sharding we have a server
Ah,
which will have a means Serve for a, let's say, read operation, serve for a write operation.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Ah, ah,
Or
ah.
delete operation,
Okay.
update operation means they have a different servers out there to
Okay.
perform a different operation.
Okay. Okay.
You understand?
Okay. 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 Do one thing. Any example you can give where we effectively we can use sharding?
Yes, yes. Why not?
Ah.
Let's say you are means rather than means you have a one worker
Okay.
and you are he is doing everything.
Ah.
He is responsible for your this replying the thing. He is responsible interacting with the each and new customer
Okay.
and serving his request.
Okay.
So is this means useful when let's say you have a two or three means let's say three one customer have a three inquiry.
Okay.
Like he want to know the flight timing, he
Ah.
want to know the you can say
Ah.
weightage things, okay,
Ah. Ah.
and he want to you can say want to know the pricing stuff.
Okay.
So for that, what they will do, they will make a counter.
Uh-huh.
Each counter have a their specific purpose.
Okay.
That's called sharding.
Okay. Okay.
Makes sense?
Okay. 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 Right.
Rather than just may I help you,
Mm,
they
mm.
will separate the things based on a operation.
Oh, okay. Fine. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Right.
So consistency.
So consistency may in many ways we can say, but one way like if I run the query for 10 times, all the 10 times I should get the consistent data. It should not change.
Okay.
What is
Yes. Apart from that, do you think anything else?
consistent data? Consistent. I always can say more. Okay, one is the other one where we can think of consistency. Okay. Even though, okay, initially there were say 100 users, now it is scaled up to some 10,000 users. Even though the number of users are increased, the output is consistent. Let's say my query takes zero point 0.5 seconds. So even though the users are increased drastically, my consistently the output is coming in zero point 0.5 seconds.
Yes, that's also fine. Apart from that, let's say you are doing a payment. Okay.
Okay.
If payment is failed, it's
Ah,
failed everywhere.
ah,
Exactly.
okay, okay.
And if payment is successful, it's
Ah,
successful at one.
ah,
No, it means let's say you are trying multiple times.
ah,
If happened once, then it will not happen again.
okay, okay.
That's also part of consistency.
Okay, okay, okay.
Otherwise, what happen means it will giving a result fine.
Ah,
But if it's on a retry, it's creating a new instance or creating a serving a same request again and again.
mm,
Makes sense.
okay.
That behavior
Mm,
means our this counter person should be certainly should be a
mm.
consistent.
Okay, 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 okay.
Makes sense.
Right, right, right.
Okay, what is fault tolerance?
No, Deepak. I heard the terms, but exact usage or meaning, I don't know.
Normal English you can speak out in a normal what is fault and what is tolerance. Forget about technical terms.
Technical.
These are two words,
Okay,
fault and tolerance.
right. Okay, font.
Fault, fault.
Okay, fault.
What is fault?
Something wrong.
Yes, something wrong. And if something wrong went wrong, then what happened then?
Okay, okay, okay. That whatever something is wrong should have a tolerance. For example, say, wait a minute. Tolerance is okay. If you take a totally different example, the length of, for example, table is say it should be exactly 10 centimeters, but there can always be a tolerance of 1 or 2 mm. It need not be exactly 10 centimeter, but it can have a tolerance of 1 or 2 mm. That is called a tolerance.
So basically, you can think about a weight. Means Sridhar can you can say carry a weight of 50,
Ah,
50, but
ah.
his tolerance is 60 kg.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, and fault tolerance is when means something went wrong. Then
Ah,
how means our system is ready to tolerate.
uh-huh.
Makes sense.
Okay. Any
If,
example, good example?
let's say electricity due to means there is some fault in electricity of
Okay,
your house.
okay.
Then you need to know what you need to do, how
Ah,
you can check,
ah.
and how quickly you can get that resolved.
Okay, okay.
Let's say if there is a fuel issue, then you need to just means fix the fuel issue
Ah,
quickly. Am I right?
ah.
And if let's say your issue from you can say your this department, electricity department, then you call to the department and
Hmm,
check.
hmm,
Okay.
hmm.
So fault tolerance means we need to know means, how we can tolerate, how we can come up again.
Ah, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay,
And resolve that fault.
okay, okay, okay.
So SPOF,
No, no, no idea at all.
single point of failure.
Oh, okay. Single point of failure. I heard SPOC, but SPOF, single point of failure. Mm, single point of failure. Single point. Single point.
Okay, let's say you are playing a match
Okay.
and you can say one player is a performer.
Okay.
Okay, and he is taking care of. You have a single point of failure. If he is failed, then
Ah.
team is failed.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Okay, let's say in our you can say this.
A critical resource is there, but the critical resource goes on leave for 1 week, then whole the thing will collapse.
Yes, or you can think about this way. If you have only single person is there who
Ah,
is doing everything,
everything. Ah,
like you have a single database, you have
ah,
a single server.
ah, ah.
If that's failed, everything is failed.
Okay, 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 okay,
Single point of failure.
okay.
Because no, you don't have a replica, you don't have a this sharding,
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
don't have a means you are putting you can say burden on a
Uh-huh. Okay,
single worker.
okay, okay, okay.
And what is this idempotency?
Independency totally new to me.
Okay, let's say we we are ordering a you can say dosa.
Okay.
Then we are expecting we will get always dosa.
Ah, uh-huh. Okay.
This cannot be happen. We are ordering a dosa and they will give us a you can say this medu vada or idli.
Idli something they will give. Okay.
No, they will give us a that the dosa only.
Okay.
Okay, understand?
Okay. 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 Okay.
And what is API?
Application program interface. These are all like small routines or some works which will run in the background. Uh, For example, if I give a bank account number, you should fetch me all the data. Now, that requirement is there in many places. So instead of rewriting the code again and again, I'll create a common function or some kind of interface, and I'll give a name to that. So in hundreds of places, or maybe in hundreds of other applications, I can simply call this API, which will do the function of displaying all the customer information based on the customer ID or bank ID.
So basically, you can say it's a contract between both means two person.
Ah,
Okay,
ah,
means where they will agree on something.
something. Okay.
Let's say you need to, if you want something from me, you need to, I require something from you. You need
Mm,
to
mm.
request in this manner and
Okay.
you will get this response.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So it's a full form of this
Ah,
application programming interface.
ah, ah, ah.
There is a contract.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Makes sense?
Okay. Okay.
So you can get a send a ID based on ID, you will get a detail.
Mm,
You will
mm,
send another thing based on that, you will get a detail.
mm, 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 mm.
Okay.
Okay.
And we talk about the type, there is a REST is
Mm,
there, and another is the terminologies are there, which you can use for API development
mm.
and architecture as well, like monolithic microservices.
Okay.
So we will discuss. No worries.
Mm, mm,
What
mm.
is monitoring and why it's important?
Monitoring, we can say it's like a health check whether everything is working correctly or not. So I definitely have to monitor. Even if something goes wrong, I should know that something has gone wrong. So I monitor the whole thing. Maybe it can be an automated system where if anything goes wrong, I get an alert. Or for example, after the transaction happens, automatically a mail has to go. But in case the mail doesn't go, I should get an alert. So I have to monitor whether things are working properly or not. So it's nothing but an health check of the applications.
Yes, basically the idea is this.
Hmm.
If you are doing something, if you
Ah,
are, you can say even you are, you, let's say, building your house and
hmm,
workers are working there. Okay.
hmm, hmm.
If you not monitor the things, maybe they will do, you can say, mess up lot of things. And
Ah,
they will not design the things as per your
correct.
need or desire, as per
Hmm,
your expectation. So for that, let's say, means monitoring is required everywhere,
hmm, 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 hmm,
like
hmm.
your day-to-day life,
Yeah.
day-to-day things you require monitoring.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
Let's say if you are not monitoring your house, then
Mm,
let's say you can say after some time it's damaged.
mm, mm,
So you need to keep eye
mm,
on things. Makes sense.
mm,
Like
mm.
your car and another thing you
Yeah,
need to.
yes, yes, yes.
And what is rate limit?
Rate limit, uh, rate, rate limit. Um, no, I don't know in which context it's coming. I don't know. Rate limit.
What is rate in normal English and what is limit?
Okay. Rate, for example, in the context of speed, say uh, it had the speed of so and so. That is the rate of speed is so and so. And limit is yeah, it should, for example, it should not cross beyond 120 kilometers. So there is a limit of the
Yes,
speed.
speed limit is there.
Ah,
Rate limit means how many requests a person can do
okay.
in seconds or milliseconds.
Oh, okay.
It cannot be unlimited
Oh, okay, okay. Right, right, right. Okay.
because in this manner
Ah,
you have a worker have a limitation there,
okay, okay.
and you are giving a work
Ah,
beyond beyond his limitation.
okay, 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 okay.
Okay,
Got it. Okay.
so we need to consider this as well.
Oh,
Any any question or concern, or we
no,
can
no, no,
go
no,
ahead.
no. So far, very beautifully explained all the points. Okay. Uh, nice. I think it's quite. But okay. The fourth one, that is not fourth one. Idempotency, the last fourth one. In the context of systems, can you give an example?
Yes, yes. Let's I give an example of this dosa. If you are
Okay.
demanding dosa, you will get a dosa only. If you are getting something else, that's a wrong thing.
Oh, okay, okay. But will that happen where I am asking for something but it gives something else?
Yes, it can be happen.
Ah,
Let's say new staff member joined. Okay, and
uh-huh.
he belong to a North India. He don't know the tongue
Okay,
of South Indian.
okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
because maybe he don't know the dosa and thing. He
Ah,
will deliver, you can say at the place of you demand dosa, he deliver idli to you or give
oh,
idli to you.
okay, okay, okay.
Means it can be happen. You
Ah,
cannot means think this cannot be happen because you are thinking as per your point of view or your point.
correct, correct.
But let's say developer done that mistake by not intentionally unintentionally. Then,
Oh,
then how you need to test that
okay.
before going to you can say production.
Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Okay, okay, fine, right.
Okay. Now let's move to this. Do one and then let's check it. If you check this, today I come up with a lot of things. I improve a lot of things. But hope you like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely, definitely.
Okay, load balancer with this, data with this. Now we are setting a cache.
Cache. Okay.
So here cache stores frequently use data
Temporary.
temporarily
Oh,
for a faster access.
okay, right, right.
As you gave, already gave an example for RAM.
Right.
So their database load and improve speed.
Speed. Right,
When the same data is requested repeatedly,
right.
store hold data in a Redis,
Ah,
in memory cache or CDN.
okay. What is Redis?
It's a
Oh, service. Okay,
service of cloud.
okay.
Here you can store the data for temporary way.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Real time, real time analogy is
Ah,
we are keeping commonly used prior spices near the stove instead of going to the storeroom every time.
oh, okay, okay, okay. Right, right, right.
So here user request cache. If
Hmm,
cache is there,
hmm.
it fast response
Hmm.
means go to DB and store in a cache.
Or,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Queue. A queue store tasks to be processed later or by a background worker.
Workers. Okay,
Not everything should happen in the user request path.
okay.
For email sending, notification, video processing, report generation, order event.
Hmm.
Make sense?
Ah,
Have put task into queue, worker consume then synchronously.
okay. Okay, I think I thought of a best example. Let us say we have one printer for around 10 users, and each of them are giving the print command. All this will go into a queue, and then it will get processed one by one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Customer take token at a service center and serve one worker.
One by one. Correct. Okay.
So synchronous programming work happen in the background instead of making the user wait.
Wait. Okay. Okay.
It improves experience and prevent timeout
Timeout.
for a heavy or slow task
Okay.
where it will take time. We know it will take time.
Mm.
Here we can how we can do that use queues,
Mm.
worker service,
Mm.
and event driven process.
Okay.
Real time analogy.
Mm.
You place an order now, but packing and shipping happen later in a
Warehouse.
hours.
Okay.
Replication. Sorry. Replication means keeping copies of the data on multiple servers
Multiple servers. Okay. Okay. Right.
for availability, backup, and read scalability.
Okay.
Read scaling.
Scaling. Okay.
When database is not enough for uptime matter.
One database not sufficient. Okay.
Primary database write data, replicate, copy it, and then may serve read request.
Okay, okay, okay.
Keeping photocopies of important document in a multiple space. We
Multiple.
discussed.
Yes, right.
Sharding. Sharding means splitting data across multiple databases.
Okay.
One data machine not be handled very large scale forever.
Mm, 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 mm,
When data or traffic become too large,
mm.
split by user ID, means there should be some split category or something. Some point should be based on that we can split.
So,
Reason.
okay. In that case, can we say sharding and partition both are same?
No, partitions are not the same because here we are putting in a different reason.
Oh, region is different. Oh, okay. Sorry, sorry. Okay, fine. Okay, 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 okay.
You can say you are partitioning term, if I'm not wrong, like we are doing a party. We have a one house earlier.
Ah,
Now means younger brother is saying, "Hey, I require my own
mm, mm, mm,
part of from this house." Then
mm.
we do a partition.
Okay, okay, okay.
Instead of a one giant warehouse for whole India,
Correct. Yes, yes, yes.
you
Okay.
create a separate warehouse by
Mm,
region.
Okay, okay, okay. Based on some category, the type of items, all that. Okay, fine. Got it. Okay.
Okay, consistency means users see correct and expected data.
Okay, okay, okay.
Incorrect data can be cause trust issue and business failure.
Uh,
Very important in banking, inventory,
Very
booking, and
important.
payments.
Yes, very, very important.
Yes, use strong consistency when correctness matters most,
Mm.
or eventually consistent where slightly delays accepted.
Acceptable. Okay, fine. Okay.
The trade-off we check that
Mm,
consistency
mm,
versus speed.
mm.
If one cinema seat is booked, all the booking counter should know it
Quickly.
quickly to
Forward.
avoid double booking.
Correct.
Fault tolerance. Fault tolerance means the system continue working even when some parts fail.
Okay.
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 So failure are normal in distributed system when you have a divided the responsibility to even say
Correct.
person that is failure can be, but how we can the system will work so that we will get a chance or borrow time to fix the problem. Fix the 60 you can say problem
Uh,
occur in a particular path.
okay, okay, okay,
Let's
okay.
say you can take an example of path.
Ah,
If there are some issues in you can see your road, but
ah,
car will still working.
okay, okay, okay.
So use retries, redundancy, fallback,
Mm,
application, circuit breaker, graceful degradation. You will just you will say, hey, this car don't have a you can say light and thing. You can gracefully tell your customer.
okay.
In one day, if one lift in a mall stops working, the building still runs because other lift and accelerator exist.
Is this okay? Fine. Okay, okay, okay.
Single point of failure,
Right.
whose failure can be bring down the whole system,
Whole system down. Correct. Yes.
like a dangerous for uptime and reliability.
Mm.
When you have only one server, one
Mm.
database, one
Uh,
payment dependency, or
uh,
one network path,
uh,
then anyway, if something is failed, like say your database is not working,
okay.
then it's failed.
Right.
You will then have backup option.
Mm.
If a shop has only one cashier,
Cashier, cashier.
that is
Right. All the billing.
leave the billing stop.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it.
Idempotency and operation is different. If doing it multiply, give the same final result.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Very important retries payment and API.
Right. Okay, okay.
Use user-friendly key
Ah,
for unique request IDs.
okay.
Real time passing the elevator button 5 times. should
Ah.
not trade five alligators.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Right.
And an API is a contract through which system communicates.
Communicate. Okay, fine.
Front end, mobile app, and service need standard ways to exchange data.
Data. Ah.
Whenever one component talks to another.
Hmm.
Okay. Design endpoint, request response format, error handling, authentication, and
Okay.
versioning.
Okay.
Okay. A waiter is the API between customer and a kitchen.
Kitchen. Ah, right. Okay.
Monitoring. So means basically here this example means customer will request, hey, I
Ah.
need to do this to API.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
And you can say waiter is a you can say interface here.
Ah.
So it's a request to a kitchen. Means
Hmm. Hmm.
the customer requires it.
Okay.
Kitchen will take some time to prepare the things and get back the you can say order to waiter and the waiter will deliver to the.
Okay.
It's a middleman. You can say.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Monitoring means observing system health and behavior, as you told.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
You can not fix what you cannot see.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Always in production. Track CPU, memory, latency, error
Hmm.
rates, traffic, queue size,
Hmm.
database performance.
Right.
The dashboard in a car tells your fuel level, engine temperature, and speed.
Ah. Ah. Right. Correct. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, the limiting control how many requests a user or client can make in a time period. Prevent abuse, overload, and unfair use.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Makes sense.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Correct.
For public API login endpoint and OTP system,
Ah.
let's say you will give this unlimited and the user is without doing waiting, he just clicking the pressing the button again and again.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
If there is no time limit, then at the same time it will send multiple, you can say, and
Okay.
you can say hacker or you can say anonymous person can put a load,
Ah.
unnecessary load, fake load on your system.
Ah.
Makes sense.
Okay. Okay.
So allow, for example, 100 requests per minute
Hmm.
per user or write.
Okay. Okay. Now, sorry, Deepak here. Now, this rate limiting, is it a setting somewhere? For example, I want to give this example only 100 requests per minute per user. Now, in case I write an automated program where I send around 200 requests in 1 minute. So now, is this parameter settable parameter somewhere? I can go and tell take only 100, take only 50, something like that, where it is set, like how do I set the limit?
Yes, yes, why not? In a configuration, we can do that.
Okay.
Let's say you will give a instruction to your worker.
Ah,
Okay,
ah,
this is our capacity,
ah,
and we need to maintain. Means we need to follow this.
ah,
Means
okay.
means we are able to serve this much only.
Ah,
If you just go beyond to that, it's harmful for us, and
ah.
that's why we need to set.
Oh, okay. Settable.
Definitely, if
Ah,
in a real time we can give an instruction in a, you can say this in server, we can also set a limit.
hmm.
Makes sense.
Okay, okay, okay.
Real life analogy, food
Ah,
delivery app. This is for whatever we discussed, like 25 points.
okay.
This match the foundation note you share.
Okay, okay.
Like custom place order function requirement.
Hmm.
Custom place order, restaurant accept order. Rider gets assignment.
Okay,
Customer track delivery.
okay, okay.
Payment should be safe. App should work during
Rush
lunch
hour.
rush.
Ah,
Order status should be reliable.
okay.
Response should be fast.
Ah,
Third-party payment gateway, limited number of riders, peak
hmm.
traffic at lunch and dinner time.
In,
Period of faster order replacement versus deep validation.
oh, what? Okay.
time accuracy versus lower infrastructure cost.
Okay.
Simple design now versus scalable design later.
Okay, okay, okay.
So customer app, order service, payment service,
Hmm.
restaurant service, deliver assignment service, track and notification.
Hmm, 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 hmm,
Quick visual memory map, system design.
hmm,
What
hmm,
system should do
hmm.
function requirement? How
Okay.
tall it should be,
Oh,
non-function requirement.
okay.
Limit and belief, contracts, assumption,
Ah,
choice to balance, trade-off.
right. Trade-offs. Okay.
Architecture, quality,
Hmm,
scalability, availability, latency, throughput,
hmm.
consistency, fault tolerance.
Okay, 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 okay.
One line summary, good system design means choosing the right structure and trade-off to
Hmm.
solve business problem under real-world circumstances.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay,
so now it's a knowledge check.
okay,
Session were core concept.
okay.
System design primarily focus on which part? Writing function, UI design, structure large-scale system, or debugging code.
Okay, system design primarily focuses on writing functions or UI design, structuring large-scale systems, and debugging code. UI design, I think structuring large-scale systems,
Okay, what about this function requirement defined?
performance, features, latency, security features,
Non-function requirement include
login, non-functional. Okay, login, sign up, response time.
okay, which is a constraint.
Okay, a constraint. Send a message, low budget, login feature. Okay, low budget.
Assumption used when
Requirements are clear, data is okay. Information is missing.
okay, trade-off involves
Okay, perfect design, no compromise balance. Okay, balancing decisions.
okay, scalability ensures
Better scalability, more feature handling, and handling growth.
okay, availability means
Speed, accuracy over time, UI quality, reliability, accuracy over time, UI quality, that's not reliability, deployment. No, I think it is accuracy over time
uh,
or speed.
availability. We are talking about this.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Availability means correct output, system uptime, UI responder. Okay, it is system uptime.
Okay, reliability.
Reliability is accuracy over the time.
Okay, latency ensures.
Latency, throughput, speed of response, data size, CPU usage, throughput, the speed of response.
Okay. And the session to performance scaling. Throughput refer to
Number of requests, okay. Number of requests handled.
load balancer help,
Distribute the traffic.
cache improve,
Speed.
queue used for
Background processing.
asynchronous processing,
Asynchronous processing runs in background.
replication is used for
Backup and availability.
Sharding help in
Splitting data.
consistency ensure.
Consistent, correct data, correct data.
Okay, fault tolerance means
System survives failure.
SO, SO, SPOF refer to
Single failure point.
advanced concept. Okay, the potency ensure
Idempotency. Same result on retries.
API act as a
uh, communication layer,
monitoring help,
monitoring, detect issues,
rate limiting prevents.
rate limiting, yeah, sorry, abuse,
Okay, which improve latency, cache, UI,
cache, cache.
which improve availability,
replication,
which improve throughput,
scaling,
queue helps,
asynchronous work,
trade-off example,
speed versus cost,
okay, constraint example,
budget limit,
scenario based, app crash when DB fails, issue, is the issue,
app crashes when DB fails. SPOF is POF.
system handle more user by adding servers,
System handles more users by adding servers. Replication,
slow DB queries solved by
cache,
duplicate payment
uh,
prevention uses,
idempotency,
sending mail later
queue.
uses,
It's a queue.
system downtime reduced by
Replication,
API overload handled by
cache. No, 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 wait, wait, wait. API overloaded. This one, rate limiting,
data split across DBs,
sharding,
high latency reduced by
cache,
system monitoring tracking,
metrics,
mixed function requirement example,
functional requirement, login,
non-functional,
latency,
external system example,
payment gateway,
internal system example,
authoring services,
load balancer prevent,
overloading,
cache reduce,
cache, DB load,
queue improves,
user wait time,
reliability ensure,
correctness,
latency is,
time,
throughput is.
throughput, count.
Okay. So these are the answer key you can match. Okay. I am impressed from your answer.
Okay,
You've done great job.
okay,
Okay, what is system design? So system design and process structuring component data and interaction to build a scalable system.
right,
Okay. And function versus non-function, feature, performance.
right.
What are the constraint limits like budget, tools?
Okay.
Okay, for your reference, I will
Ah,
put it here so that
ah,
it's good for your, you can say,
okay,
your
fine.
perspective as well. In the
Ah.
future, you can refer this.
Oh, sure, sure, sure.
Okay,
Okay, okay.
so what I will put here only
Ah,
your assignment, or you can say assignment. I will put here as well.
yes, yes, please.
So in our assignment,
Ah,
you need to start with your ideas,
okay,
project idea, whatever
okay,
you're taking that
okay.
project idea, and come up with a come up with come up with a, you can say, some line regarding each and every one, maybe one line only. You need to come up with some ideas. Say, this is my idea,
Okay.
or based on this idea, means we can consider these options, whatever we discuss, term, whatever we discuss, in this manner.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
And after that means in our next topic, we will cover the, you can say, these things. Module 2 is define, mostly means means how we can understand requirement and problem framing. How we
Very
can
important.
frame.
It's very important. Okay,
We will discuss this
okay.
and how we can get that thing.
Mm.
So you will think of, means earlier you will learn how to do the things, what are the terms used,
Okay.
there in the system design.
Okay.
And now next step, you will interact with the client.
Okay. Fine. Good.
And the client just say, hey, I want just, let's say I want a Facebook app
Ah. Ah. Ah.
without giving a, you can say, clarity to you.
Hmm.
How you will get the clarity makes
Hmm.
sense.
Hmm.
Because
Hmm.
because there is a lot of functionality there.
Lot of functional. Correct. Yes.
Okay. And
Okay.
let's say user will say, hey, I want to just order app where user can do a order, and based on order we can deliver.
Hmm.
But you need to have a clear picture how
Yeah.
you
Correct.
can do that.
Yes.
We will learn. Makes sense.
Hmm.
So we learn all these things.
Okay.
Stop here.
I think this class will be very useful to me. Very, very important to me. In fact, the next class will be very important to me.